Welcome to our JavaScript introductory course. Within this course, we're going to be going over how to use JavaScript. Now, with JavaScript, it allows you to provide dynamic functionality on your web page. It allows you to create interaction and a whole lot of really cool stuff that you can do with JavaScript. You can create everything from games, you can vet through forms, and even manipulate content within your HTML, manipulate your CSS, and really there's a whole bunch of stuff that you can do with JavaScript. Now, one of the important things with JavaScript is understanding the basics. So we're going to be running through all the basic foundation syntax that you need to know in order to build out JavaScript within your web pages. I'm going to be using an editor called Brackets. So this is an open source downloadable editor, so it's free to download. It's provided by Adobe, and this is what I'm going to be using throughout the course. So it's just available at brackets.io, and you can go ahead and download it if you don't already have your favorite editor that you want it to use. So this is one provided by Adobe, and this is what it looks like. So there, of course, there's a few different things that you could do. You could change the background colors and style it however you want. So this is a really good editor to create JavaScript in. It's got all the built-in functions within JavaScript, and as I'm going to show you as we work through the course. So to start out, and we're going to jump into this really quickly, we're going to run through some of the core syntax throughout all of the different lessons throughout this course, and starting out with just a blank HTML page. So this is just a really blank HTML page. So we've got our opening doc type, opening HTML, opening head, closing head. We've got a title in there so we can see that up here, opening body, closing body, and then this is where we're going to actually place the JavaScript. So we're going to place it on page. So showing you how to do that in the upcoming lessons. So when you're ready, and it's also encouraged that you do follow along with the course. And in order to help encourage you to follow along with the course, I'm also going to be using an online editor at CodePen.io. So I'll be providing the links to the CodePens throughout the course as well. So essentially what CodePen.io does is it allows you to write code directly onto the page and have it display on the right hand side. So here I'm writing in alert, and of course I'm going to take you through what alerts are throughout the course as well, but we can see that immediately whenever I'm writing something on my left hand side, including JavaScript, CSS, or HTML, we see it being displayed and run directly within CodePen.io. So this is one of those really good handy tools that we use in order to display script immediately as we write it, and is also a great place to practice and learn what JavaScript can do. So I'm going to be including links to the CodePen.ios as well throughout the course. So when you're ready, let's begin creating some JavaScript.